Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about the burning topic nowadays, that is coronavirus. We'll be talking about COVID-19 in detail. The information taken in this video is taken from a government website, so I assume there is nothing which is contradictory here. We'll be discussing about a few pointers. Before starting the topic, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel if you like its content. I am working on grade 9th ICSE and CBSE biology, grade 11th and 12th ISC and CBSE biology. Also, the content is enough for the preparation of NEET and any competitive exams. So if you like the content of the channel, please do subscribe. Talking about the different aspects. First of all, you must have heard about Arogya Setu app. Arogya Setu is an open source Indian COVID 19 tracing, syndrome mapping, and self assessment digital service. Primarily, it's a mobile application developed by the National Informatics Center under the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. If you download this app in your phone, you can judge that in 10 kilometers of area, if you have a COVID positive person, it will appear on your screen. So this is something to make sure that you know that the environment in which you are going, that is corona free. Boost immunity. Your body's immune system protects you against illness. Keeping your immunity high helps fight COVID 19. To boost your immunity, eat fruits and vegetables like mushrooms, carrots, tomatoes, oranges, lemons, bell peppers, broccoli, spinach, and more. This is going to boost your immunity. I will also add in to start using kadha at your house. Kadha is just an extract of different herbs which is prepared, and it is you can drink it hot. If I give you an example of the kadha which we have, that has raw turmeric, one black cardamom, some cloves, a half teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds, and just boil it till extract the amount remains half, and then you can sieve it down and have it. In this you can also add a pinch of or teaspoon of cinnamon powder also. It's a very good kadha. So this will help you boost immunity and fight corona. Emergency. The COVID 19 outbreak, called a public health emergency of international concerns, it has affected the normal life and caused fear and panic among the society. But yes, please don't panic. Just follow a few good habits, and hence you will protect yourself from corona. Fast check. An infodemic is an epidemic of misinformation and fake news on current COVID-19 crisis. Fake news lead to panic and mistrust. To fight fake news, you must fact check. Now, for this, please visit transformindia.mygov.in to stay updated about the latest official information about COVID-19. You must have seen that there are multiple information on social media about COVID-19, and if you go in details, half of them are wrong. So to fact check, please visit transformindia.mygov.in to stay updated. Guidelines. Now, what should you do? Wash your hands properly and often with soap and water. Use alcohol based sanitizers if you don't have access to water. Avoid touching your face, cover your mouth and nose while sneezing or coughing. Stay at home and wear a mask if you have to go out. Now, these are some very simple guidelines which you need to follow. Generally, stay home, stay safe. But if you have to go out, wear a mask before going out. Coughing and sneezing should be done with just covering your mouth with the help of your elbow. Try not touch your face, and alcohol based sanitizers can be used, but try avoid using it in excess. But yes, it can be used. Hygiene. To protect yourself from virus, it is important to maintain good hygiene at home. Make sure your surroundings are clean and sanitized. Sanitize all the incoming packages. Wearing masks is essential while stepping out. Now, sanitize all incoming packages. Obviously, we are staying home, so there are many packages which we have ordered, or maybe they have come to our doorstep. Please keep those packages aside for a while, and when you start using them, please sanitize them and then start using. Infection. The COVID 19 infection spreads through droplets of saliva discharged from the nose. Everyone should practice basic etiquettes of covering the mouth and the nose, coughing and sneezing. Journey. It is very important to avoid all non-essential travel. Do not use public transport if avoidable. Do not travel in public places. If you have to travel, wear a mask at all the times and use an alcohol based sanitizer. Again, stay home, stay safe. Please avoid going out or traveling. Knowledge. It is very important to have basic knowledge of the virus. The government of India has launched COVID Gyan. It is a scientific portal with resources and information about the outbreak. You can visit this COVID Gyan portal and you will get all the information required about corona. Lockdown. Lockdown is an emergency protocol that prevents the people from leaving a specific area. It is important to make sure virus does not spread quickly from person to person. We all are under lockdown nowadays. We all are sitting home and doing our work. So it is just a protocol to make it sure that people don't frequently go out and hence can be protected from the virus. Myths. It is important not to spread myth about the virus. Weather does not have any effect on the spread of virus. Substances like alcohol, chlorine, garlic cannot kill the virus. A simple mask is sufficient. You do not need a N95 mask unless you are a healthcare worker or a doctor. So you can generally use a mask made up of cloth. You are not supposed to use the mask which the doctors they use. A normal mask will which will be more than enough for you. And plus the change in temperature, now it will be summers or it will be cold, it's going to spread, it's not going to, these are all myths. So it is not going to affect the virus at all. Naming. WHO announced COVID 19 as the name of the new disease on February 11, 2020. Guidelines were developed with the World Organization of Animal Health and Food and Agriculture Organization and United Nations. This is how the name Corona came. PPE. PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment. It is a set of garments worn by the healthcare workers to protect themselves from the virus. It consists of gloves, mask, and the gown. The whole thing which you see nowadays the doctors are wearing, that's called PPE. Quarantine. People who have been traveling or have been around infected people must self quarantine for 2 weeks. In quarantine, you isolate yourself from outside world. When self quarantine at home, stay at least 1 meters away from other people. If no symptom appears in 2 weeks, then you can return to a normal life. So you should quarantine yourself if you feel that you have come in contact with the people who were corona positive. Risk and response. Risk and response communication and community engagement action plan. Preparedness and response tool is designed to support the risk communication between frontline workers, health authorities, and other partners and plan effectively against COVID 19. Symptoms. The most common symptoms of COVID 19 are fever, tiredness, dry cough. Some patients might have aches and pains, nasal congestions, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. Some patients show no symptoms. 1 out of 5 patients fall severely ill and have difficulty in breathing. So it's clearly mentioned what are the different symptoms of corona. Track, trace, and test. Finding the place and people infected and tested them can be done through this chain of track, trace, and test. This can contain the spread of COVID 19. All three parts are equally important: track, trace, and then test for corona. This is the sequence which is followed to detect the virus. Vaccination. Right now, there is no vaccination or medication to prevent the treat COVID 19. Possible vaccines or specific drug treatments are under investigation. They are being tested in clinical trials before they can be widely used. So if someone says that this is a medicine for corona, or this will help you treat coronavirus, please don't take it blindly, because the vaccines or medicines are yet to come, and when they will come, it will be all over the media, it will be everywhere, so you can easily find out that this is the vaccination or this is the medication for the disease. It's a thank you. As of now, we all can fight it. So please stay home, stay safe, keep liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.